What are you guys doing in here already for? Well, welcome to another tech day. Got my Amazon package right here. So we just got some simple goodies today here. Oh, box in a box. And it's an unsealed box, so somebody's already been into these, potentially, and probably sent them back for some reason. Because this is just sitting in there loose. We've got the Opar branded grab bars. They go on somewhere up here. Nice initial views out of the box. I mean, super heavy. I was thinking these were going to be cheap, but super heavy. Finish isn't the greatest. There's a couple of little scuff marks down here. I don't know if you can see that. The camera will focus on it. A couple of little scuff marks, but you know what? That'll work for me. Assuming that the install is fine. There's no instructions in the box here. Doesn't look like it should be rocket science though. Why is my camera not focusing? Hello? There we go. Do a quick look over, see if we've got everything. Bolts. Let's jump in and have a look. Okay, got it figured out. There's a right and a left handle. The top drilled through bolts right here are off on a bit of an angle, so you'll want to get your angles right. I don't quite see yet. Okay. There's a drilled out. You got the drilled holes, obviously, there and on the side. The one that's countersunk is your inward facing hole, inwards facing into the passenger compartment of the Jeep. The part that's not countersunk will be what goes towards the frame of the Jeep. We got a hole that goes into the bolt up in the top here. We got another one that mounts down into here. Let me adjust the camera here to have a better look at that. Handle for the left side. It's got our countersunk facing inwards. So that'll go something like this when it's all said and done. Let's grab the tools. Try not to lose parts. And let's get to work. Handy little tip. I thread my sockets onto a little piece of paracord. It just saves carrying around, either keeping them loose in your tool bag or having them attached to a space hogging, if you will, piece of kit that usually comes with socket sets. It's number 13 metric. There we go. And I should have looked, we're going to need another set of tools. A hex head for this one. So I got my hex multi-tool here. And it's number 6. First step is clearly going to be removing these 2 bolts. watch the spin on your wrenches that you don't smash your windshield. With this side bolt, I'm not sure how long it's going to be in there, but you're going to want to take care that you don't spin it and have it all drop down in underneath here and need to pull your pillar all apart. So once we get closer to pulling that out, we're going to be a little bit more cautious. Top bolt is out. And like I said, very carefully, that side bolt. Like I said earlier, there's no instructions, at least none that came with my set here. So you've got 2 different size hex bolts, and you've got 2 different sized spacers. I'm not sure which goes where. Try the long bolt and the long spacer. And I'm willing to bet that's it right there. Fire trucks are coming right in here. Oh, there he goes by. Huh. So as you can tell, this is a little bit awkward. Once it starts though, it works. So we'll leave that loose. We'll see about getting the upper one started here. It's not threading though. So if that upper one is the trickier one, let's undo the bottom, start from the top. So you guys get to see my headaches. That way when you want to do this yourself, you know the order, you know everything all about it. Look at that, threaded on there within seconds. See if we can go back to the side one here. Make sure you're holding on to everything. You don't want to lose any of these standoff pieces. So the challenge is to get everything to line up, to be able to thread those in. There we go. Snug them down good. And yeah, nice new handles. Overall, my install, I'm at about 24 minutes right now. And that's for one handle. I've still got to do the other side. Initial thoughts, you know what? I kind of like it. I can, not that I really have a problem getting in and out. We'll try that in a second. But they look good. It's a nice little accessory. And what I can also use it for is strapping a camera on here for an auxiliary view out the dash. If I'm recording a trail, I can mount it here, have the window down to look out. So yeah, it's supposed to be grab handles, but I'll use it for camera mounts as well. Let's see what happens getting in and out. I suppose I can use that there. That works. Getting back in. You know what? I really like those. It's the little thing like that that you don't think of off the hop. And that little addition, actually makes quite a little change in the Jeep. But there you go. Opar brand grab handles for your Jeep. Go get a set. Take you about half an hour, maybe a little bit longer to do the install. Like I was showing you guys. Parts. Just watch for the countersunk hole. The side that is countersunk goes in towards the Jeep, so that's your right and your left hand sides. This side is countersunk. It's on my left hand, on my driver's side door handle here. This one here is going to go over onto the right hand side. Your long offset is for your bottom mount. Your short offset is for the upper here. And you will need, now that I've lost it already, a 13 mil metric socket to get those two bolts out. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time for some more off-road and overland adventures.